Hello and welcome to Ministry of JavaScript. In this video we are going to be looking at what are ternary operators in JavaScript and how can we implement them. For example, if you want to write if else condition in JavaScript, then we do write something like this, but we also have something called ternary operators, which are a shorter syntax of if else condition, and we can write it something like this: condition and true or false, right? So this is going to be our if block, and after this column is going to be our else block. So let's refactor our code. Let me just comment it out. 1 is triple equal to 1. Let me just come over here and write console.log success and console.log failed. So as you can see that it is returning a success because 1 is triple equal to 1, right? Let me just comment it out and uncommented our old if else code. And what I want to do is basically, let's say we have a variable result equal to, and what I want to do, I want to assign these values to result equal to success and result equal to this, right? And if I come over here and console.log result, then as you can see we are getting success. But in case, how can we do this with ternary operators? Well, you can directly assign the condition into the variable, like let result equal to, and let me just come over here and remove the consoles, and then when I come over here and write console.log result, then as you can see that it is returning a success. So basically this is how the ternary operators works in JavaScript. I will see you in the next one. Have a nice day.